Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type disk cleanup. Then click here to open it. Now select your drive and click on OK. Now go to cleanup system. Then again click on OK. It will take some time to complete the process. Once you are here, after that simply check the files and there we go. Click on OK and simply click on delete files. Once done, let's move to the next step. Go to search bar and type here settings, then click here to open it. Now just scroll down, click on storage, then click on temporary files. Now simply we need to check this, uncheck this Windows cleaner update cleaner, and after that check the download files. Just follow my screen. Once you are here, click on remove files and click on continue. Once done, close this window and click on run. You can press Windows plus R together to open run, then type temp and click on OK. After that, you need to select all these files, right click on it and simply delete. Click on S. There we go guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.